Hello, everyone. A very good evening to you all. I hope everyone might have got a wonderful expiry today. And sorry for anyone if they couldn't make it today. Today was a wonderful trading session. To begin with, let's see how Nifty performed as per my analysis. To say to be very frank, because of the Fed results, Nifty and Banknifty outperformed and did not give any chance to take entry as per my given targets. But if you see very clearly, I have mentioned this is solid resistance and this is the next one. Nifty clearly opened well above the levels, and I have marked various resistance over here. You can see very clearly. Okay, so these are the levels which I have given yesterday. It opened well above the levels. Initially was a weak red candle, little bit sell the pressure. After that, it gained momentum. It closed above this first resistance with solid green, retested, reached the next, again breakthrough, retested, all the way to the levels which I have marked here, 17,756. So this could have helped to know once it has broken these two levels, what can be the higher levels. See, I have marked the upper levels also, and this was the previous all time 2 days back high, and there was a little bit of reaction over this area, and clearly it gave higher high, higher low, and Nifty totally outperformed for the day. Okay, so we are on fresh levels once again. Okay, so if anybody wants to know what can be the further ultimate targets on the upper side, can be, give me a moment. Excuse me. So the upside rally is still pending. You can see today's candle gave a solid close above the previous high. So the next ultimate targets, I'm sure this will be the immediate target. 17,935, it will be taken out. I don't know whether it's tomorrow or in the upcoming days. But before any fall or correction comes, most probably this level will be reached. You can make a note of it. I can write and give you. And this is nothing but it's not like no prediction, nothing. This is as per Fibonacci extension. This was a solid swing, and there was no close below this recent swing, and the price closed above that recent full swing. Since it is closed, the immediate target can be 1.27 to 1.414, and max it could be for the moment 18116. Okay, I don't know about the higher level, but immediate first target it can be 17,935 for sure. And let's wait for the market reaction over this area, and we will further decide what could be the upside thing. So for the moment, I'll mark daily for final tomorrow's action. I did a good trade today. It was good. So let's see the levels for tomorrow. Okay, I'll remove these levels which has been tested already. The downside levels will remain the same, so I'm not changing anything over there. So the immediate supports, it can be Demand zone. It can be tiny zone too. This can be a solid one, solid demand zone. Once if it price comes to this zone, for sure we can expect a bounce. You can initiate a scalping trade, or you can take swing positional. Sorry, you can initiate a scalping trade, or you can initiate a intraday trade like for higher points. For the moment, this can be a solid supply zone. Market need to break above this solidly to proceed any further upside. And because of the momentum which we saw today, there is a possibility for a gap up, and let's see whether it sustains this level or not, and finally we can have a decision. Okay, so we don't know exactly what can be the levels on upper side. Still I have another one over here. Okay, first target. Okay, fine. First target is done already in this. Trying to 72. Okay, I'll mark the upper resistance. I'm not changing any of these levels. I just keep the same Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and take my trade accordingly during the live session. So these levels help me a lot actually. So tiny zone over here as well. I'll mark this. Okay, and tomorrow is Friday. So since it is a weekend trade, light guys, don't involve deep into it and spoil your weekend. If you don't get any proper levels, just relax. You this good trade like you have another trading day. So if you don't get an opportunity, just leave it and wait for next Monday. So these are the levels. So I couldn't make a clear guess. As per the zones created, I'm just explaining. So we had a market has closed here. In case market fails to hold this level, if it drops below, for sure it will come to this level. Okay. And one and only if market sustains this level, solid green, there's a chance for Nifty to go to higher levels. Okay. And these two levels are very much important, like how it gonna perform tomorrow. Any break through this level, then only Nifty can go down further. Since few videos, I'm just keep on insisting people don't go into a trade just based on one candle. Wait for at least two candle to form and initiate your trade. One green and followed by you need another confirmation candle. Okay. Wait for a pullback. Need not come to this level. At least when compared to these two level at 0.5 percentage, and you can initiate a sell or buy at these levels. Okay. So these are the levels for Nifty tomorrow. Unlike other people, um, price action is the master, and the supply and demand zones are the master in trading. And I used to go through much into open interest to know where position has been built. But once I started learning the supply zone and demand zone and also price action, I don't look for open interest much. I don't say it is not necessary, but I don't look into them to take any trade. And also, like, if you have made a decent profit in the first half, like I used to do, that was a huge mistake. Don't keep on sitting in front of system and spoil your profits and spoil your day too. So set a target for the day. If you have achieved in the first half, kindly stay away from the market. Okay, fine. These are the levels for Bank Nifty. Sorry. And also, I will say, like, no one is a perfect master, and nobody can say like until what level a market can go. Only safest thing is just look for how the price reacts at each and every zone, whether it gets rejected or it breaks through. So accordingly, you just initiate any trade. So at each level, look for the type of candle form, look for the type of volume generates, and you initiate a trade. Okay. So this is for Nifty. So up next, let's watch the levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow, for Friday 23rd 0921. So you can see here very clearly. Again, same in this case. These were the levels suggested, and I have said very clearly, if the market breaks this huge trend line, there is a very high probability for Bank Nifty to break this level, go through this, and ultimate target it can be this. So what has happened? The huge gap up which has been made, and it has broken the second or the stronger resistance on top. This was a clear window for Bank Nifty to reach the next upper levels. I aimed until here, but you can see here, market came to this level. It gave a little bit of rejection over here. Again, it continued the rally. And what we see here, it was a rising wedge. Initially, I didn't know it's a rising wedge. So once top 2 points and bottom 2 points has been formed, I initiated a buy here. I mean, apart from this trade, each and every support and resistance I took a trade. One over here, one over here, then again over here, and again here, and finally here. So it was a very good expiry session for me. So guys, do follow the procedure, do follow the zones, trade safe. Okay. So the bottom levels again, it stays intact. Let it be like that. Let's see the levels for tomorrow. Okay. Look, it is broken very decisively over here. I have marked here, it's a clear resistance, and this is where the upside movement of Bank Nifty has been stopped. Again, sorry, daily. We need a clear break up over this. area. I mean, this level has to be broken. It has to break solid so that you can expect for next higher or this one and this one. Okay, so let's see. Colors. This will be one of the solid resistance. The next sell zone will be in this level. This could be another minor resistance as well. So that's it. And on the downside, this can be a strong demand zone. This could be next stronger support, and this zone now it will become a demand zone. Again, okay, so we have a little bit of clear view over here. So now again we have many hurdles on the bottom for Banknifty to go down. This has been tested already. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow's Banknifty. Okay, so we can expect a positive movement tomorrow as well. Might be a gap up. If it sustains this level, I mean strong bullish, then the gates will be open for the upper side. First target, sideways movement. This could be the target. And if it sustains this level, strong closing, again, then only we can expect Banknifty to make a new all-time high. Okay, and by chance, if there is a sell-off happen from this area, the immediate target it could be this bit of consolation, and need to see whether it goes up or it breaks through and come to the next level. Price action is everything, so watch out what happens at these levels. It's very simple. Just wait for at least wait for any 2 5 minutes candle to close in any one direction to initiate any trade. Whether you get a rejection from here or a breakdown. Okay, so These are the levels for Banknifty spot. These can be the future ranges. Okay, guys, these are the views for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. Meanwhile, you can check my day before yesterday's video. I have mentioned stocks as well. So kindly have a look like how the market has reacted. Exactly at the levels it opened at around. There was no follow points in this rally. All right, guys. Okay, we can make in Nifty if they hold this line to my channel. Okay, so this is the positional target. Tomorrow's closing will be critical. I'm just looking for if Bank Nifty gives corner resistance in this area and stocks which I have mentioned for short term. As long as like I just want to show you like how the targets has been achieved. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Excuse me. Corner. Come down. Hi, guys. For this area. Okay, I couldn't find the exact one. So if you guys have any doubt regarding like stock analysis or anything, or if you need any technique to know for a trade, kindly post in the comment section below so that I can explain you guys or assist you. Trade for sure. You first will intact and bang. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching my channel, and all these videos are for education purpose. And